Bomb. This afternoon, she gave birth to a rare set of identical twin girls at Akron General Hospital. Bob Jones was in the delivery room today and shows us why this was such a special delivery. Live on 5.
When Sarah Thistlethwaite and her husband Bill went to their third ultrasound to learn the sex of their baby, they received a double dose of surprising news.
The ultrasound tech said, "Oh, there's two." And my husband said, "Two what?"
The couple was told they were having mono twins, meaning the baby shared the same amniotic sac and placenta. The odds of this type of pregnancy, 1 in 10,000 births.
I've been practicing high-risk obstetrics for about 35 years, and I've seen less than 10 cases.
Sarah was considered high risk because of concerns over cord entanglement or compression. She spent 56 days in a hospital room, but on day 57, she allowed us in the delivery room for that unbelievable moment. And what do you know? When sisters Jillian and Jenna were born at 2:41 p.m., they came out holding hands.
It was just so awesome, and they were both holding hands, and it was so great to hear them both cry.
She weighs 3 pounds 3 ounces.
Doctors say both babies are doing great. Jillian quickly breathing on her own, Jenna getting a little help from oxygen. For Dad admiring his 2 new daughters, it's hard to find the words.
What was going through my mind? I don't know. I couldn't think. I started tearing up immediately. It was beautiful.
The couple already has a 15-month-old son who will soon get to know his identical twin sisters. For Sarah, Mother's Day just couldn't get any better.
Best Mother's Day present ever. And Mother's Day is definitely going to be different. It's definitely truly a miracle.
Live on 5 in Akron, I'm Bob Jones.
Wow, so sweet.
Yeah.
Well, and incredibly, there is another woman at Akron General who's also pregnant with mono twins.
24-year-old Amanda Arnold of Akron has been at the hospital for 4 weeks. She is also having identical twin girls and plans to name them Janaya and Amaya. Amanda says twins do run in her family, but it was still a shock when she learned she was having rare mono twins.
The first one, we looked and it was just one baby to the side, and she like, "Wait a minute, don't count on that one, let's look all the way around." And the other one, they were sitting side by side just looking at each other. Like, I sat up, I'm like, "That is not two heads." She was like, "Yeah."
But right now the babies weigh under 4 pounds. Doctors say the twins are doing well. Amanda is also the mother of a 5-year-old boy.